Okay, we're set up now. Just cracked the can open, and I thought I'd just take you to one of the key features. This bothy, unlike many others, does have a toilet, and it was kindly put there by the MBA, the Mountain Bothies Association, which is here we go now, and I'll just show you inside now. Basically, it's a simple construction, a hole in the ground, and sorry about that. Okay, and as I was saying, I'll just show you the inside of the toilet now, and as you can see, it's just a simple construction, hole dug, giant pit down there. Once that's full, they'll just fill it in and move it again. So that was our night in the bothy last night. Had a wonderful time. It was really good. On the way home, we accidentally fell into Wetherspoons, and so there we have it. So we're rounding off the trip with a nice little fry-up. Thanks for tuning in now. Bye bye.